everyone, welcome to Cook Your Heart Out. Today we are going to be making a lovely loaf of bread in our Magimix Cook Expert, and then we will be cooking it in a cast iron pot by Endure. So let's get started. Hit pause now and take a screenshot to save all your ingredients. You will need measuring spoons and a measuring jug, a sifter, a set of scales, baking paper, a small sharp knife, a bread knife and cutting board, a cooling rack, a Magimix Cook Expert and a cast iron pot. Start by adding the water and yeast into the Cook Expert bowl and closing the lid. Run the Expert program for 2 minutes at speed 3 and the temperature set to 37 degrees. Once the program has finished, remove the lid and add in both the flours and the salt. In the baking section, select the Bread Brioche program and press Auto. The machine will stop after 1 minute. If needed, scrape down the edges of the bowl and then press Auto to finish the program. Once the program is finished, remove the dough from the Cook Expert bowl and form a ball. Place the dough ball back into the bowl of the Cook Expert, close the lid and run the Expert program for 30 minutes at speed 0 and the temperature set to 37 degrees. After the program is finished, repeat the process for another 30 minutes. That's 1 hour in total of proofing. After 1 hour, remove from the Cook Expert. Lightly knead the dough and form a bowl, sprinkling some flour over the top. Place the dough ball onto some baking paper and place inside the cast iron pot. Cover with a tea towel and leave for a further hour. Using the small sharp knife, cut notches on the dough. Place the pot into the oven at 240 degrees. Spray with water for a crispy crust and a soft crumb. Place the lid on and cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid and cook for a further 5 to 10 minutes. The bread is smelling amazing, it's ready, and unfortunately I have to wait for it to cool now before I can try it. So there it is on the cooling rack, and I'll give it a try shortly. So there we go, all I need to do now is give it a little taste. Some homemade butter, and as a little bit of a nod to the French, a little pinch of salt, and bon appetit.